We are here at the Hampton Library investigating the failure of the parapet wall cap during the nor'easter storm. Even though every seam was installed with a lead anchor, again we can see that the lead anchors were literally just ripped out. I mean, they had good adhesion. You can see the marks from the brick. That's the discoloration right there. Okay, here's a fastener that we found that was still in it. As you can see, it was flapping. And so, let's see if we can get this out. It would appear that the failure of this coping is due to just being ripped right out of the brick. It appears that the wind completely just ripped the metal right out. That's amazing. Because that was secured with an anchor as well as a rivet. So the anchor went here and the rivet went there, and the wind was so strong it ripped them both out. Is that clearly the wind was strong enough to tear out a lead anchor and rip through solid aluminum. Yet the amazing thing is that if you look down the line, the Aztec didn't fail. So I don't know if there's any greater testament to the product than that. Here's another yeah, same thing. Ripped right through the metal. Yeah, again. Yep, ripped right through it. So the force was just so great that it tore the metal, this piece of metal, piece of trim coil, off of that, just broke it from the flexing, but the Aztec tape remains intact. Again, I wanted to note it was that the metal failed, but the Aztec didn't. So the force was just so great that it tore the metal, this piece of metal, piece of trim coil, off of that, just broke it from the flexing, but the Aztec tape remains intact.